Hi, and welcome to the CDD tutorial, mainly intended for an administrator. In particular, how to set up the meta fields for your ELN. So, to enable to do that, go up here to the settings, followed by Vault, and then ELN fields. On the top right, you will see then Add Edit ELN fields. If you click on there, you can then edit, add, or remove meta fields. Most likely you won't be able to remove or wanting to remove them at a later stage. In this particular example, there are already two fields in: the external journal ID, a text field, and an experiment, which is a pick list. These pick lists, similarly to batch fields or in protocol details, you can control the vocabulary of the entries. In this particular example, if we have a look, it was chosen as a type of experiment, biology, chemistry, template. You could add other or anything that you would like, depending on your business rules. Similarly, with the Add ELN field, now you add this new field where you have the option between text, number, dates, pick lists, but also files, so you can attach a file separately into the header. Let's say, for example, an MSDS file for chemists important. You will recognize also another feature equally to batch fields. You can declare a uniqueness of a number, or if a field is required. Once you're done adding all the ELN fields that you require, click the Update ELN fields, and you're good to go. Let's just check now the ELN to see how this new field looks like and where it is. So open up an entry. We'll see our typical project name, that's always there. Next we have this external journal ID that has been created in this particular case, or the experiment ID, as a pick list. And finally, the file upload possibility for this example of an MSDS file. For more information, go check our knowledge base. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.